Welcome to our channel. The health insurance marketplace offers subsidies that can significantly reduce your premiums. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your benefits. Step 1. Visit Healthcare.gov or your state's marketplace during open enrollment, typically November 1st through January 15th, or during a special enrollment period after qualifying life events. Step 2. Create an account and complete the application accurately, providing information about your household size, income, and current coverage status. Step 3. Report your expected annual income carefully, as this determines your subsidy amount. Include wages, self-employment income, Social Security, and other taxable income. Step 4. Understand how income affects subsidies. Premium tax credits are available for incomes between 100% and 400% of the federal poverty level. Step 5. Explore cost-sharing reductions if your income is below 250% of the poverty level. These lower deductibles, co-payments, and out-of-pocket maximums on silver plans. Step 6. Compare plans within the metal tiers, focusing on total annual costs including premiums, deductibles, and expected out-of-pocket expenses based on your healthcare needs. Step 7. Verify that your doctors and medications are covered by checking each plan's provider network and prescription drug formulary before enrolling. Step 8. Report income changes promptly throughout the year. Increases or decreases affect your subsidy, and reporting changes prevents owing money or missing additional savings at tax time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.